Hallo, wie geht's dir? Ich bin Marco Rostam. In today's episode, we are going to take a look at another project file that is from my latest sample pack, Progresso. In my pack, you will find the most accurate project file you ever see, so you can achieve the sound your favorite producers are using. Also, it has 15 project files, so with the help of this pack, you will learn all these 15 styles very fast. Link is in the description down below. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, let's take a look at the main lead first. Without the effects. Then we have a support lead. Together, it sounds like this. For the chords, we have 2 layers. And then we have a piano. For the bass, we have 2 layers. All together. For the drums, we have some kicks, claps, rise, and then we have some down lifters. Also, the atmosphere layers. Some ear candies. More hi-hat loops. Together. For the second part of the drop, we have one new layer, which is the ride. Also, there are a little bit change for the melody. Let's take a listen. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you want to get this project file, make sure to check the link down below. Also, if you have questions for this pack or anything, feel free to drop a comment down below or join my Discord server and we can talk there. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.